We're going to be putting in a gas insert inside of our masonry fireplace. So the first thing we did was we took all the old stone facade down, and then we put our steel studs in, we put our audio video cables in, and our power line. Now we're getting ready to put the gas insert inside this section right here. So follow along with us, and we're going to show you exactly how we do that step by step. Gas fireplace insert is installed, and it's a high efficiency unit, so it has a sealed glass front. It doesn't use any inside air for combustion, so it has exhaust and has fresh air intake from outside. So if you follow along with us, you're going to watch on our next video. We're going to cover this with cement board and stack stone and hang the TV. We're just about complete with the installation of our gas fireplace insert. So as you can see behind me, our cement board is in, our mechanicals are up and tested, and our fireplace is up and running. So our final steps are to finish the installation of this beautiful stack stone, hang the TV in the bracket, put the metal surround around the firebox, and finish the crown molding at the top. So follow along with us. I'm going to show you what's so special about this mantle under the blue tape. So let's take the tape off. So now the mantle's unwrapped, and you can see this rustic log beam with heavy distressing, heavy graining, and this beautiful brown stain. Now the secret here is it's not actually wood, it's concrete. So it's non-combustible, which allows us to lower closer to the firebox, which allows us to lower the Sonos soundbar and the Sony TV for better viewing pleasure. So follow along with me for our last stage, which is going to be fireplace surround and the crown molding at the top.